How to remove the search bar that appears to the bottom of your home screen. And this is for Xiaomi phones with HyperOS 2 Android 15. So if you have this search bar here and you want to get rid of it, this is how you go about doing it. Long press a blank area on your home screen like this, and then you'll see these options show up. You're going to go to where it says settings right there. You'll see the settings option here. Tap on that once. And once here, you'll see this pop up. You'll go to where it says more. And under the more section, you will see where it says home screen search bar. If for some reason this is not highlighted for you to make changes to it, make sure your lock screen for the home screen layout is not turned on. If it's turned on, you won't be able to make changes to this here. So turn this off, and then you'll be able to turn off the home search bar here. So turn this off now and remove it. And of course, you could come back and turn this on to have it appear. And once you're done, you should now not see it anymore. Like and sub.